So today I'm gonna try to repot the Zara Michelle. This leaf is dead, I'm gonna take it out. Secondary growth point, or this is the main one. That's pushing out a flower. And there is a new leaf from the secondary growth point. Very dark red color, which I kind of like. Actually, it's really, really nice. 360. This flower, I did pollinate it with itself before it started producing pollen. So I'm not entirely sure if this took or not, because if you're pressing on the stem here, it's still very firm. So the flower is not dead yet. Pollinated June 26. So I guess I'm doing it. Ooh, it's very root bounded though. Look at that. Oh, it's very healthy roots. I'm so happy. But it's definitely due for a upsize. That is such a marvel. If you can see the root situation, there's something that might be usable with this. But we'll see if I can separate it now. So this is mostly a pong mix. This might take a while. Oh man, this took way longer than I thought it would. It's like a vermicelli kind of noodle, not like udon. I don't see any rot so far. This is honestly way too much. You know, this reminds me of the Castle in the Sky. I don't know if anybody knows that Miyazaki film. At the end of the movie, they go up to this tree in the sky. This castle in the sky is actually all built based on a flying tree. And then all the castles, all the infantries, all the weapon systems were built around the root system of that tree, which kind of looks like this. This way. I don't want to... It looks like a risky procedure though. And that means I have to single out this stem. Oh, I'm having like separation anxieties on their behalf. Okay, I have this knife here, and I have no idea what I'm doing, to be honest. How am I supposed to do this? Should I go from the back? It's slightly easier to see here. So this is through, so it's connected here. It's connected in here. I'm just gonna do this. Trying not to cut myself in this process. I can't pull it out. Okay. I should just pull harder, but Ah! Oh, that happened. Okay. Oh, there's enough root. There's definitely enough root. I just need to pull this thing out, which might also take a while. Okay, this is not an easy job. Okay. It's like, what am I supposed to do in the middle of this mess? This is too much. I can't even see the end. Oh, it's probably this thing, right? Or is it this? Which one looks more like the root I'm looking for? Okay. Oh, it's right here. Ha! I'm done. Oh, you are so pretty. Look at you. Look at all the substrate that came out of it. Now for this plant, it's gonna go in this pot. I'm gonna try to use more tree fern to make it root faster. I'm just gonna do this then. Give it a stick. And let's hope this leaf does not abort itself, because it's so pretty. Look at it. It's like very dark purpley maroon color. Going back up to the shelf. It is a little cricket, but it is done.